How to boot to UEFI or BIOS firmware settings in Windows 11. Modern PCs use firmware like UEFI or the Unified Extensible Firmware Interface and BIOS to control low-level system settings. Accessing these settings is essential for troubleshooting boot issues, installing a new operating system, or fine-tuning your device. In this video, we'll show you how to boot into UEFI on Windows 11 step by step. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. 4 methods to access UEFI or BIOS firmware settings. We'll walk you through the different methods to enter UEFI so you can succeed regardless of your PC's state. Method 1. Using the BIOS key during startup. If your PC won't boot properly, the best way to reach UEFI is with the BIOS key. Turn on your device or restart it if it's already on. As soon as the boot screen appears, press the BIOS key repeatedly until the UEFI or BIOS menu shows up. The boot screen usually tells you which key to press. To know the most commonly used BIOS keys, read more on our full blog linked below. Remember, the BIOS key isn't the same for every PC. Method 2. Through Windows 11 Advanced Startup Settings. If your PC is running normally and you don't want to mess with the BIOS key, try this method instead. Press Win+I to open Windows Settings. Click System, Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. When the menu appears, select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, UEFI Firmware Settings. Click Restart and your PC will boot into UEFI. Method 3. Using Command Prompt or PowerShell. Press Win+R and type CMD or PowerShell, then press Ctrl+Shift+Enter to run it as administrator. Type this command: shutdown/R/FW/T0 and hit Enter. Your PC will restart straight into UEFI settings. Optional method: using a desktop shortcut. Creating a desktop shortcut to boot into UEFI is convenient, but it can be triggered accidentally and disrupt work. If you still want to set one up, here's how. Press Win+D to go to the desktop. Right-click, then navigate to New, Shortcut. Enter shutdown/R/FW, then click Next. Name the shortcut. For example, you can name it to Reboot to UEFI. Then click Finish. Right-click the shortcut. Then choose Properties, Advanced, check Run as Administrator, then click OK. What is UEFI boot mode in Windows 11? UEFI is the modern replacement for BIOS, offering more powerful and flexible controls over system settings like boot order, power, and memory. When your PC starts, UEFI initializes the hardware, loads drivers, picks the boot drive, and then hands control over to the operating system. Quick access to UEFI settings is essential for admins managing multiple devices. This guide shows different ways to boot into UEFI on Windows 11, no matter your system state or your preference. For more information, check out our official blog post on UEFI boot mode linked in the description below.